Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on Poppo Live in 2026. So let me just open it up right here. And as you can see, we are not exactly like in the worst situation, but we're not really anywhere near rich. But when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited coins and points. So I'm going to press unlock. It's going to add them. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Poppo Live mod for your device. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so it says like committing entitlement and all this stuff, verifying device, propagating changes, finalizing. All right, so now it's, oh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to matrixmods.com, find the Poppo Live, press on it, press download. Now, before this mod downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for Poppo Live. So what we need to do is download 2 of these apps, which are the additional files, and that will install the mod. So as you can see, we got Travel Town. This one says reach level 10. So I'll just press continue. It takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I'm level 10. So this one's just a game, so that's pretty easy. So I could just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. So yeah, peace out, guys, but I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. I'm not sure which ones they will be, but I mean, generally, it's very simple stuff. You can see like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Scanner app. This one says install the app and open it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So anyway, guys, let's go to the App Store and type in Poppo Live just so I can show you guys how expensive it is. So as you can see, we have it right here. And then we go to the in-app purchases. And as you can see, the coins cost a ton of money. So if you guys don't want to pay, then be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So yeah, I've tried a couple other methods, but this is the best way to get unlimited coins and points on Poppo Live 2026, guys. Fully approved. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because I have looked across the internet for a working method, and this is the only way to do it, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, as long as you download 2 of these apps, you should be good to go. So as you can see, we have this video you can watch. So that's pretty helpful if you don't like me and the way I explain things. Maybe this video will make more sense. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. So you can see like they all have their own little rules that you have to follow. So this one's like down and run for 30 seconds. This one's like reach level 9. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. Like this one is so easy, this Travel Town. I just got to play this until I'm level 9. So that's pretty simple. So yeah, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get rich on Poppo Live. So yeah, it actually works, guys, 2026. So if you guys need money on this app, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself because it's super cool. And this is a totally working tutorial for you guys. So if you guys are mad, like it will still work, guys. Like as you can see, we have an anti-ban in here. So it is crazy. You can see right there. So there's some other settings too, which is cool. But I'm mostly focused on the coins. But yeah, be sure to try this out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But that's how I get rich on Poppo Live. So yeah, this is the 2026 method. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. If this video works for you, I don't make videos often, but I had to share this method because it's super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, my gang.